just finishing off the cube from previous YouTube short. A bit about YouTube viewers as well. Because if you can do the Rubik Cube, you just might as well get yourself a YouTube channel or a TikTok channel and just do the Rubik Cube. You'll get views. Because I've done this video. I've done 2 or 3 videos from this. So it's currently on. It's currently on 200 views in 23 minutes now, and I've got less than 1,000 subscribers. So basically, a channel would have to have near 20,000, 15,000 subscribers to get close to the views that you'll get on a Rubik's Cube video. There you go, that's as far as I got.